In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the Woocommerce database in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're running a small online store or managing a big e-commerce platform, keeping your Woocommerce database up to date is crucial for the smooth operation and security of your website. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control room where all the magic happens. From creating posts, managing your pages, to tweaking your site settings, this dashboard is central to your WordPress website's operation. Once you're in the dashboard, you're going to look for the WooCommerce menu item on the left-hand side of your screen. It's hard to miss. The WooCommerce icon is distinct and it's usually situated somewhere towards the middle of the menu. Clicking on WooCommerce will bring up a series of options related to your online store, from orders and coupons to reports and settings. With the WooCommerce options displayed, your next click should be on the status link. This takes you to a page that provides a comprehensive overview of your store's health, including system status, tools, logs, and scheduled actions. It's a powerful area that gives you insights into how well your WooCommerce store is performing. Now, within the status page, you're going to want to navigate to the Tools tab. This section holds various tools that you can use to manage your store's database, clear caches, and more. It's a handy area that can help you troubleshoot and maintain your website with ease. Here's where we get to the heart of the matter: updating your WooCommerce database. On the Tools page, you'll see a list of available tools. Look for the Update Database button. This is your golden ticket. The Database Update tool is designed to ensure that your store's database is compatible with the latest versions of WooCommerce. It's important to run this tool after updating WooCommerce to avoid any performance or functionality issues. When you click on Update Database, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to run the tool. Click OK to proceed. This step is critical because it initiates the update process that aligns your store's database with the most current WooCommerce updates. A common question is, what exactly happens when you update your WooCommerce database? Essentially, this process updates your database structure, adding, deleting, or altering tables and values to match the latest WooCommerce requirements. It's a bit like renovating your house to meet the latest safety standards. It ensures everything runs smoothly and securely. One piece of advice before you hit that Update Database button: always make sure to back up your website. While updating your WooCommerce database is generally safe, having a recent backup ensures you can restore your site to its former state should anything go awry. Think of it as an insurance policy for your online store. Upon confirming the update, the process will commence. It usually takes just a few minutes, but the exact time can vary depending on your website's size and the number of updates being applied. You'll see a progress bar or a series of notifications informing you of the update's progress. And just like that, in a few clicks and a couple of minutes, you've successfully updated your WooCommerce database. To sum up, updating your WooCommerce database is a straightforward task that plays a significant role in the smooth functioning of your online store. By following these steps, you ensure that your website remains fast, secure, and aligned with the latest e-commerce technologies and trends. Plus, you save yourself from potential headaches caused by outdated databases, such as slow page loads, checkout errors, or security vulnerabilities. Remember, the world of e-commerce is ever evolving, and keeping your store's database up to date is key to staying ahead. So take these few minutes to check and update your WooCommerce database regularly. You and your customers will benefit from a better, smoother online shopping experience, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for following along in today's tutorial on how to update your WooCommerce database. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to ensure your online store thrives. Happy selling!